Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the venv module to understand and utilize virtual environments in Python. Now before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out the way, let's hop right into it. So virtual environments are a way to keep dependencies required by different projects separate by creating isolated Python environments for them. This is where the venv module comes in handy. To create a virtual environment, we use the venv module. This is typically done in the command line, not inside a Python script. Here, we create a new virtual environment named tutorial env. This command creates a directory with the same name which contains all of the necessary files for the environment. Now to start using this environment, we need to activate it. So on Windows, it would look something like this. And on Unix or Mac OS, it would look something like this. These commands activate the environment. Note that the command differs based on the operating system that you're using. Now with the environment activated, any package that you install using pip is installed in the venv folder isolated from the global Python environment. So if I were to paste one of these into the shell over here, I could then use pip to install any library I want. For instance, this command would install the request package in the current virtual environment. Understanding virtual environments is crucial to managing project dependencies in Python effectively. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys found it helpful or liked it, drop a like down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.